install the battery into your new Barikade safe, you'll need your backup manual keys and a brand new 9-volt alkaline battery. The battery is not included. To get started, grab the manual key and let's get the safe open. Once open, you'll notice the battery compartment is on the left-hand side. You can lift and slide the compartment up and access the battery connector inside. Connect your new battery. Now you hear the welcome chime. Reinstall into the compartment and reinstall the battery cover. You'll now be ready to program your safe.